Hey, Parker here. Welcome to my channel, Yoshi on the Go, where we do stuff. And today we're taking a look at the Maze Runner Steelbook Trilogy. So let's dive right on in. So full disclaimer, I've actually never read the books before. I've just seen the movies and that's it. But that being said, I quite enjoy all of them. We got the Maze Runner, that's the first one. A very, very different type of dystopian, post-apocalyptic future. Very mysterious, got the memory wipe motif thing going. It's really pretty, really green. And just a really good hook. A type of movie with plot points and subjects and an environment that I've never seen before. I mean, we have like the hedge maze in Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, but this is totally different, and that's why it really got me hooked. And of course, we've got the Scorch Trials right here. A very different and it's just very shockingly different from a lush green maze forest to a destroyed megacity like in the middle of the desert with the sand dunes and the hot sun. Oh, and by the way, there are zombies. So this is secretly a zombie movie, and I freaking love that. This might be my favorite one out of the three. I like all of them though. They're all really good. And then of course the last one, Death Cure, just came out earlier this year. I just picked up the Steelbook at Best Buy, of course, and I liked it a lot, except for it wasn't quite as new and exciting as different as the first two movies were. Yeah, the Death Cure being more of a almost like a heist movie, sort of like a sneaking around spy type movie, which is still very fun and really cool. But anyways, so here are the Steelbooks. Definitely a fan of this franchise, and I really feel that it's a complete trilogy, and they did a really solid job with all three of them. If you made it to the end, that probably means you like it, so let me know by clicking the like button, and also consider subscribing. I do stuff like this all the time. I've got a lot of Steelbook stuff on the way as well. Got my 2018 update collection video coming out sometime this summer, and Batman Steelbook collection right here as well. So thanks for watching. Bye!